Welcome to the future where the hustle game has evolved. In this video we bring you the top 5 hustles of 2024. Now if you're wondering what a hustle is, let's break it down. It's not just a dance move from the 70s, folks. A hustle is a side gig, a passion project, a way to make your mark on the world while maybe making a few extra bucks on the side. And boy, has the hustle game changed. We've moved past the era of lemonade stands and yard sales. The digital age has brought us opportunities we could never have dreamed of. It's crucial to stay ahead of the curve, ride the wave, and be in the know about the latest and greatest hustles. Because let's face it, standing still is just not an option in this fast-paced world. Ready to dive into the future of hustling? Buckle up and let's get started. If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First up on our list, we have digital real estate. Now you may be wondering, what's this digital real estate you're talking about? Well, let me break it down for you. Digital real estate is the online space that you own or control. It could be anything from a website, a blog, a social media profile, or even an e-commerce store. It's a piece of the boundless digital universe that belongs to you and you alone. But why is it so important, you ask? Well, imagine this. In the physical world, owning a piece of prime real estate in a bustling city can make you a fortune. In the digital world, it's no different. The more valuable your digital property, the more revenue it can generate for you. And in 2024, this has never been more true. The digital landscape is expanding at an incredible rate, and so are the opportunities within it. And here's the beautiful thing about digital real estate. It's not just for the tech savvy. Anyone can get started. All you need is an idea and the drive to make it happen. You can create a blog about your favorite hobbies, set up an online store to sell your handmade products, or even build a social media empire. The possibilities are endless, but remember, just like in the physical world, location is key. In this case, location refers to your online presence. The more visible and accessible your digital property is, the more traffic it will attract. And as we all know, in the digital world, traffic equals profit. So how do you boost your online presence? It all boils down to quality content, effective SEO strategies, and consistent engagement with your audience. And of course, staying up to date with the latest digital trends won't hurt either. Now, isn't it exciting? This vast digital world full of untapped potential is right at your fingertips. So, why not dip your toes into digital real estate? Who knows, you might just strike gold. Digital real estate, a virtual goldmine waiting for you to tap into. Next in line is remote fitness coaching. Now this is a hustle that's been on the rise, especially in the wake of the pandemic. It's clear that health and fitness have become a priority for many, and this trend doesn't show any signs of slowing down in 2024. Let's talk about why this is such a big deal. The world went digital almost overnight, and the fitness industry was no exception. Gyms closed, but people still needed to stay fit. Enter remote fitness coaching. It's an industry that not only survived, but thrived in these challenging times. And the best part? You don't need a physical location to get started. All you need is the right knowledge, the right attitude, and a solid internet connection. Now you might be wondering, how do I get into this? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, you need to get certified. There are a ton of online fitness certification programs out there. Choose one that aligns with your interests and expertise. Then, build your brand. Create a website, a blog, a YouTube channel. Share your fitness journey, your knowledge, your passion. People are more likely to trust you if they see your authenticity. Now, let's talk numbers. The potential for profit in this industry is massive. According to reports, the online fitness market is expected to reach a whopping $100 billion by 2024. That's a lot of zeros, folks. But remember, this hustle isn't just about the money. It's about helping people lead healthier, happier lives. It's about making a difference. And that, my friends, is priceless. So, are you ready to take on this hustle? Are you ready to transform lives, including your own? If so, then remote fitness coaching might just be your ticket to success in 2024. Remote fitness coaching, where health and wealth go hand in hand. Third on our list is AI consultancy. Now you might be thinking, artificial intelligence, isn't that the stuff of sci-fi movies and future dystopias? Well, yes and no. AI is no longer just a concept for the distant future. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and do business. Let's talk about the rise of AI. Over the past few years, AI has been steadily infiltrating various industries, from healthcare to finance to retail. AI is transforming how things are done, making processes more efficient and accurate. And in 2024, well, it's predicted to be even more pervasive. Imagine that. Now this is where the hustle comes in. With the increasing demand for AI solutions, there's a growing need for experts who can navigate this complex field. Enter AI consultants. These are the people who help businesses understand and implement AI solutions. They're like the translators between humans and machines, and trust me, in this era of AI, that's a crucial role to play. So, how does one become an AI consultant? Well, it's not as daunting as it sounds. You'd need a solid understanding of AI and its applications, of course, but more than that, you'd need to be a problem solver, a critical thinker. You'd need to be able to see the bigger picture, to understand how AI can be leveraged to solve real-world problems. And here's the kicker, you don't necessarily need a degree in AI to get started. There are countless online courses and resources to help you build your knowledge and skills. The key is to stay curious, to keep learning, and to immerse yourself in the world of AI. AI consultancy isn't just about understanding technology. It's about understanding people, understanding businesses, and using AI as a tool to create value. It's about being a bridge between the present and the future. AI consultancy, the future is artificial. Fourth on our list, we have sustainable product creation. Now, sustainability is a word that's been buzzing around a lot lately, but what does it really mean? Well, in the simplest terms, sustainability is about our actions and decisions today not impacting the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In the context of product creation, this means designing and manufacturing products in a way that lessens their impact on the environment. This could be anything from using eco-friendly materials and renewable energy in production to creating products that are long-lasting and can be easily repaired or recycled. Now let's talk about why this is an exciting hustle for 2024. As people become more conscious of their environmental footprint, the demand for sustainable products is skyrocketing. This isn't just a passing trend, folks. We're talking about a seismic shift in consumer behavior that's here to stay. So how can you jump on this green bandwagon? Well, you could start by identifying a product that people use regularly and figuring out how to make it more sustainable. This could be anything from clothing and accessories to home goods and electronics. The key is to think outside the box and find innovative ways to reduce the environmental impact of these products. But here's the real kicker. Being eco-friendly isn't just good for the planet, it's also good for business. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for products that are sustainable and ethically made. So, not only can you sleep well at night knowing you're doing your part to save the planet, you can also make a pretty penny while you're at it. And there you have it, folks, sustainable product creation, where green is the new gold. It's a hustle that's not just financially rewarding, but also incredibly fulfilling, because at the end of the day, what's better than making money and making a difference at the same time? And last but not least, we have personal branding consultancy. As we navigate through the hustle and bustle of 2024, the rise of personal brands has become indisputable. Each one of us is a brand, and how we present ourselves to the world holds immense potential. Imagine being the guiding light that helps others illuminate their personal brand. That's where a personal branding consultant steps in. You help people identify their unique qualities, their strengths, their passions, and guide them on how to project these to the world effectively. In an era where authenticity is highly valued, personal branding has become a necessity, not a choice. Personal branding consultancy, because your name is your brand. And there you have it, the top 5 hustles of 2024. From digital real estate to personal branding consultancy, we've covered the spectrum of opportunities. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more future-ready content. Until next time, keep hustling.